Hello learners, here Mr. G, and we are going to make another video regarding light. This time we're going to be talking about refraction of light. It's a new phenomenon and you will learn about it more in upcoming grades, okay? But first, before we carry on, let's just remember or recall what can happen to light, okay? Now, light can be absorbed, light can be reflected, and light can be transmitted. We said light can be absorbed. Remember, this happens if the object is opaque. Light can be reflected, and that is when some light is bouncing back. Also, the two of them will give the shadow at the back. And light can be transmitted. And light can be transmitted. When does light is transmitted? When light passes transparent object. So if light passes through a transparent object, we say light is being transmitted. So this topic is going to be very much related to transmission of light, because as light passes through objects, sometimes can bend, it can turn, and that is what we call refraction. For example, if we have a transparent piece of glass and light is coming, this is rate of light coming through, they will pass through the glass to the other side and then continues. This is what we call a transmitted light. Light is passing through the object. Now, what is the thing? Sometimes light bends as it passes through the transparent object, and that is what we call refraction. So let's write down here what is refraction. So what is refraction? Refraction is the bending of light. Now this happens when light is moving from one medium to another, and this will happen when light is moving from one medium to another, one medium to another medium. We're going to see one example just now. Okay, so let's say, for example, we have a light bulb and we have a square piece of glass. Okay, these are two medium. Here outside, all this area outside have air. So this is one of the medium. The other medium is the glass. Okay, so a ray of light is going and is going to touch the surface of that piece of glass. Now remember, there right on the surface is going to be something called the normal, and this one is called the incident ray. And then on the surface right here you will have what we call the normal, and remember, the normal must be perpendicular to the surface. This here must be 90 degrees. That is the normal. Now this normal is going to go all the way into the glass, perpendicular into the glass. Now this rate of light, instead of going straight here as it should, remember it should go straight because light always travel straight, but it's not going to do that. This rate of light instead is going to bend towards the normal, as it is the straight all the way, but closer to the normal. As you can see, this one here is going to be called refracted ray. Okay, this is going to be called refracted ray. Now here, as we did before, we spoke before, we have an angle here which is between the incident rate and the normal, and this angle here is going to be called angle of incidence. That is the angle of incidence, and this angle here between the normal and the refracted ray is going to be called angle of refraction. Okay, now what is going to happen here on the other side? Right here on the other side, there will be another normal line, and the rate of light will go out of the glass in the same direction as was before. This here is called, emergent ray. Okay, so we have the incident ray that is coming from the source. In this case, it's a luminous light bulb. It's going to the surface of the glass, perpendicular. As you can see, the normal there, it bends towards the normal. So you can see it turn a little bit to the left, all the way straight to the other surface, and it's going away towards the right. This angle, as you can see it there, is called angle of incident, and this angle, as you can see it there, is called angle of refraction. So guys, this is all you need to know about refraction. You need to know this is called refraction. You have incident ray, you have refracted ray, and the ray that is coming out of the glass is called emergent ray. So this is all. I hope you understand. It could be tricky. I'll try to do an experiment so you can see it in real life, but thank you for watching. If you think it helped, please thumb up. You can subscribe, and up until next time, thank you. Good luck.